Is the India First Life Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan your ticket to financial stability, or are there better alternatives to consider? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, participating, limited premium endowment life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you get to enjoy a guaranteed monthly income every month. You also get to secure your family's future with life cover, which ensures financial support in case of an unfortunate event, and you can customize this policy to fit your financial needs with flexible premium payment options, policy terms, and payment modes. You can also receive annual benefits ranging from 105% to 125% of your total premiums as regular monthly payouts. You can even take control of your income flow, which to start receiving guaranteed monthly payouts right after the premium payment term, or defer them for a few years based on your preference. Now let us take a look at the benefits available under this plan. So there are three kinds of benefits. First, we have survival benefit, where 3 monthly income payouts will be in the range of 105% to 125% of your annualized premium on the basis of the policyholder's age, gender, gap year, and premium payment term, which was chosen at the inception. So this payout of the survival benefit will start after the completion of your premium payment term and continues till death or the end of the policy term. So this is the survival benefit in this policy. The maturity benefit is something where the policyholder will receive at the end of the policy term. So here the maturity benefit will be your last installment of your guaranteed monthly income, along with accrued simple reversionary and terminal bonus if the policyholder had any, that will be received as a maturity benefit at the end. The death benefit is something the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get if in case the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So when that happens, either sum assured on death plus accrued simple reversionary bonus plus terminal bonus if they had any, or this option will be given, or 105% of the total premiums paid excluding applicable taxes and underwriting, which is the extra premium if any, till the date of death. So whichever option is highest on the date of death, that will be given as a death benefit to the nominee or legal heir. Here the sum assured on death is highest of your 10 times your annualized premium, or any absolute amount assured to be paid on death, or minimum guaranteed sum assured on maturity. You also have bonuses like a simple reversionary bonus, which is declared at the end of every financial year, and terminal bonus is payable on maturity, surrender, or death, whichever comes earlier. So these are all the benefits available in this policy. The advantages of investing in this policy is: you get to invest a higher premium in this policy, which makes you eligible for an enhanced sum assured. You can also enjoy tax benefits on both the premiums paid and the benefits received. These are the advantages. Disadvantages are: your policy will not offer a loan facility, and this policy term and premium payment period have limited flexibility under this policy, and the returns on this plan are also relatively low. The survival benefit payouts also may not be sufficient to meet your actual financial needs. The survival benefit cannot be deferred or postponed as well. So these are some drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to analysis part of the video, where we are going to, before committing to this investment, we are going to evaluate its potential return, because it is essential to make an informed decision. So using the figures from the policy brochure, we are going to calculate the internal rate of return, IRR, of this policy and compare it with alternative investment options. So now, for calculation purpose, let us consider a 44-year-old male who chooses this policy with a 27-year policy term and 11-year premium paying period and an annual premium of 5 lakhs. The sum assured is 77.65 lakhs. So after completing the premium payments and a 5-year deferment period, he starts receiving annual survival benefit including bonuses. At maturity, he receives the final survival benefit payout along with a terminal bonus. So here, how we are going to calculate the potential returns is based on two future assumed rate of return, like 4% per annum and 8% per annum. This is to indicate worst and best case scenario respectively, but these returns are not guaranteed because the returns depend on the policy's actual performance. This is just to show you an idea of a worst and best case scenario. So at 4% return, the IRR is just 0.83% as per the policy's maturity calculator, providing no real value addition. At an 8% return, the IRR stands at 5.71% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is still lower than banks' fixed deposit rate. So a fixed income stream that does not adjust for inflation may not be suitable for most investors. Also, this plan 27 years, like 11 years of premium payments plus 5 years of deferment plus 11 years of survival benefits, still the returns may not justify the investment. Additionally, the funds are locked and the payout structure is rigid. Given its limited life cover and modest returns, this plan may not be the best choice for long-term investors. So, as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome, we are going to take a alternative investment approach where we are going to separate the components of insurance and investment, whether that can lead us to better financial outcome. Here the same premium can be strategically reallocated to generate similar or even superior cash flows through more efficient alternatives. So let's explore this by reallocating the premium from the previous example. Here for life cover purpose, we have chosen a pure term life insurance policy with a 75 lakh sum assured, which cost us 61,500 rupees annually for a 27-year term with a 10-year premium payment period. This leaves us with 4,38,500 rupees annually for investment, plus an additional 5 lakh in the final year since the term plan's premium paying period is shorter, like 10 years versus 11 years in the IndiaFirst plan. Here, if you're a low risk investor, you might prefer debt instruments like the Public Provident Fund, while if you're a high risk investor, you could opt for equity based options such as equity linked savings scheme. So for this analysis, we are going to consider the ELSS route. So the accumulated ELSS corpus is later transferred to an instrument yielding 7% annually, so serving as a source for regular withdrawal while ensuring a final lump sum withdrawal at maturity. You can see the ELSS tax calculations presented on the tabular column here. So the pre-tax maturity value of the ELSS investment reaches 2.01 crore. After the capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value stands at 1.82 crore. This corpus was when shifted to a 7% yielding investment. It generates annual withdrawals similar to the 8% return scenario of the IndiaFirst plan, followed by a full withdrawal at maturity. So the resulting internal rate of return is 8.86%. The return could be even higher if withdrawals were avoided, but it does provide greater flexibility to manage cash flow as needed. In contrast, the IndiaFirst plan lacks flexibility and offers relatively lower returns. So what is the final verdict? Should we invest on IndiaFirst Life Guaranteed Monthly Income Plan? Is it worth investing or not? Since this plan combines insurance with investment, its fixed payouts may not be sufficient to cover your substantial expenses. Additionally, the survival benefit cannot be deferred or accumulated. So an analysis of the plan's returns reveals that it underperforms, offering returns lower than the inflation rate, which makes it difficult to maintain purchasing power. The rigid cash flow structure and subpar returns makes this plan unsuitable for long-term investors, and it also has a high agent commission. A pure term life insurance policy is the best choice for securing life cover as it provides high coverage at an affordable premium. For investments, it is advisable to choose options that align with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. So instead of relying on insurance plans for regular income, building a well-structured investment portfolio offers greater flexibility and better financial security. By diversifying your investments, you can accumulate the necessary corpus to generate the desired cash flow.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.